My video guide is about removing the browser scam that is related to the site highpotencysecurity.com. Some people may pretty suddenly see these pop-ups by the site highpotencysecurity.com. And all these pop-ups try to make you think that your computer is horribly infected with some malware. The pop-up says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. Primarily, these pop-ups attack Windows computers and Windows browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers, even though Google Chrome is the main target of these pop-ups. They try to make you think that there are some decent messages from decent security software. But in reality, if you start interacting with these pop-ups, if you click on this proceed button, you may be forwarded to some other dangerous pages that may promote a totally different software. So please be careful, don't ever interact with these fake alerts. By the way, they also try to make you click on this allow button in order to make you subscribed to its multiple web push notifications. So it was a mistake to click on the allow button, and we need to fix this mistake, and of course don't ever trust these pop-ups by highpotencysecurity.com. Just leave all these scary alerts. Then, to get rid of these pop-ups, we do recommend that you use a special software that will help you to do it automatically. The point is that there may be a lot of malicious sites integrated into your Google Chrome mistakenly. Sometimes some people click on this allow button when they see certain suspicious websites, and then as a result they see a lot of ads popping up like that. These ads are not decent, they try to force you into downloading some shady programs. So use Combo Cleaner antivirus that will help you to automatically delete all such threats. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.